What's up guys, Eddie Coronado back again, making another video for you guys. This time I want to talk to the affiliate marketers. Who of you out there who just got in or are in for a little while, haven't made that sale, having troubles, ran into roadblocks with traffic, your leads, creating ads, your content, whatever it may be. Maybe you're looking for new products, maybe you're looking for another program, whatever it is. I want to hear what it is that you guys are, your common mistakes, the things that you think you're having a problem with. I want to hear from you guys. Send me a message, like this post, whatever. You can private message me, however you need to reach out to me. If you need my actual number and you guys want to talk on the phone, or if you guys want to do a live chat, we can do that. We can absolutely do that. I'm here to help you guys out in any way that I can. I want to introduce you guys to a new program also that I'm doing. It is absolutely killer. I just want to give you guys a kind of rundown of how it works and how it's different versus the programs that I've used in the past. This thing has really changed the game for me personally, because I have a team. This time I have a team. I don't have live calls once a week and go, hey, I've got 10 problems and I only get to answer one in that call. That didn't really help me out. I got to kind of pick out of those 10 problems and say, which one is my biggest problem? And then the other 9 I'm still stuck with, and I'm looking around on YouTube University trying to fix these things, and I call support and they're just not there. So this program is literally a program where you guys join, you have a problem, you could be in the middle of a sale, you can call me and go, Eddie, dude, I don't know what to do. This guy just bopped me over the head with a question I've never even heard in the industry. I don't even know what this is. Or he asked me something that I don't understand. I need help. Cool, call me. Read me what you guys have gone through. Tell me what you guys have gone through. Tell me the question. Boom, we're gonna make it happen. If I'm not available, there's another team member there that you're gonna have contact to. That's gonna be immediate. It's not gonna be one of those things where, oh, send us an email, we'll get back to you in 2 or 4 days. No, it's literally you will call my phone, my personal phone, and say, Eddie, I'm stuck, and I get you through it, or somebody else gets you through it, because we're a team. That has made a serious difference in the way that I have, taken my affiliate business from, a few thousand here, a few sales here and there, to making sales all the time, having people blowing my ass up, saying, whoa, what's this? I want to get into this. I didn't realize this thing was that kick ass, honestly. And I want to share it with you guys. I'm telling you, this is what I think is the best. And I'm out there. You guys see my profile. I've used a lot of different programs. You can see that I've promoted a lot of different products from big name people out there that are crushing it out there, billionaire status. You guys will see that. I no longer use those anymore. I feel this is better than that. The competition is different. Everything is different because we go about this a different way. There's a lot of perks in this, you guys. I'm looking forward to helping you guys. You guys got to help yourself. There might be a day when you might have a hard time. You're like, man, today's kicking my ass. Call me. I'll sit there all damn day with you in a live call. We can BS, and I'll be shooting my sales out, and you'll be shooting your sales out. That's how easy it is, man. This affiliate business, you gotta love it. I do. Gotta love what you do, or don't do it at all. I hope this is helpful with you guys. I'd love to hear from you guys. Message me. You want to talk to me? Just send me a message. It doesn't have to be about anything. It can be about something else. You can have another business. You guys want to talk about it. You have a problem. Let's see if we can get that fixed. All right? Let's work together. Let's see what we can do, guys. I appreciate you. Have a good evening. Good day. Be blessed.